Plant FAQs, Caladium Florida Sweetheart. Caladium Florida Sweetheart. Frequently asked questions. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for caladiums, especially the captivating Florida Sweetheart variety. Today, I'm addressing some of the most common questions I get about this vibrant houseplant. The Caladium Florida Sweetheart is a compact, shade-loving gem known for its stunning foliage. Its heart-shaped leaves boast a vibrant pink hue with a distinct green border, creating a striking contrast. The leaves can be ruffled or smooth, adding to the plant's textural appeal. See more 19 species in genus Caladium at monsteraholic.com. How big does a Caladium Florida Sweetheart get? Unlike its larger caladium cousins, the Florida Sweetheart stays delightfully compact. It typically reaches a height of 12 to 18 inches with leaves measuring around 4 to 6 inches. This makes it ideal for container gardening or adding a pop of color to a brightly lit corner of your home. Is Caladium Florida Sweetheart a good houseplant? Absolutely. The Florida Sweetheart thrives indoors, especially in areas with indirect sunlight or filtered light. It prefers warm, humid environments, mimicking its tropical origins. With proper care, this low-maintenance beauty can bring life to your indoor space. What are the light requirements for Caladium Florida Sweetheart? Direct sunlight can scorch the delicate leaves of the Florida Sweetheart. Opt for bright, indirect light for optimal growth. Consider placing it near an east-facing window or a few feet away from a south-facing window. How often should I water Caladium Florida Sweetheart? Water your Florida Sweetheart when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Aim for consistent moisture without soggy soil. During dormancy, winter, watering frequency can be reduced. Does Caladium Florida Sweetheart need fertilizer? While not essential, a balanced fertilizer formulated for houseplants can be applied during the growing season, spring and summer, to encourage vibrant foliage. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for dilution and application frequency. How do I care for Caladium Florida Sweetheart in winter? As the days shorten and temperatures drop, your Florida Sweetheart might enter a dormant period. Watering needs will decrease significantly, and you may notice some leaf dieback. Don't panic. Reduce watering and allow the soil to dry out almost completely between waterings. Keep the plant in a warm location and avoid fertilizing. With spring's arrival, growth will resume. Is Caladium Florida Sweetheart poisonous? Unfortunately, yes. Like most caladiums, the Florida Sweetheart contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation and discomfort if ingested. Keep this plant out of reach of children and pets. Can I propagate Caladium Florida Sweetheart? Yes, you can. Propagation is best done in spring when new growth emerges. Divide the tubers during repotting, ensuring each division has at least one growth point. Plant the divisions in separate pots with well-draining potting mix and care for them like mature plants. Caladium Florida Sweetheart versus Caladium White Queen. Both the Florida Sweetheart and White Queen are captivating caladium varieties, but they offer distinct aesthetics. The Florida Sweetheart stuns with its vibrant pink foliage, while the White Queen boasts elegant white leaves with green veins. The White Queen also tends to grow taller, reaching up to 2 feet in height. Caladium Florida Sweetheart versus Caladium candidum. Similar to the White Queen, Caladium candidum features white leaves with contrasting green veins. However, candidum's leaves tend to be broader and more rounded than the Florida Sweetheart's heart-shaped form. Additionally, candidum might require slightly more light than the shade-loving Florida Sweetheart. Where can I buy Caladium Florida Sweetheart? Many online retailers and garden centers offer Caladium Florida Sweetheart bulbs or young plants. Look for reputable sellers and ensure the bulbs or plants appear healthy and free of pests or diseases. Final thoughts. The Caladium Florida Sweetheart is a captivating houseplant that adds a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. With its compact size, vibrant foliage, and relatively easy care requirements, it's a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance way to brighten your home, consider welcoming the charming Florida Sweetheart into your plant family.